Details about why streams is not working sometimes on some phones. So this is the second experiment. So in total it will be 10, 14, 18 phones. Here on W3 that is a hotspot from that phone. These 4 phones is running on the hotspot. These 4 phones also run on a hotspot from another phone. W6 from this phone. Both of these phones have mobile data. And then the other 10 phones that is laying here is running on the W2, on that mobile home network. The phones that is laying here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we don't use because there were some problems. And then there's on each phone a different song again. Some is connected to the VPN, like that one. Others is not connected to the VPN. Some phones with a new premium account, new created email account. 1, 2, 3, 4 new accounts. 1 new account is with VPN. 3 of the new accounts is without VPN, with different networks. So I think with that can make a nice conclusion. So it's 3 days later now. And then we have here the statistics, starting from track number 7, hard at work, until track 28, whispers in the water. And as you can see, some phones is working and some not, just like in the first experiment. But this time more phones is working. The first I checked was the new accounts, because we have 4 new accounts. 3 accounts is connected to the mobile home, while 1 new account is connected to that phone hotspot. 1 new account has VPN on, while the others has not. So we have all varieties. We have mobile home, we have hotspot, we have with VPN, we have without VPN. And luckily all new accounts was working. Swish Swash, Steady Stomping, Hard at Work, and The Life of Water. Hard at Work, Swish Swash, Steady Stomping, and The Life of Water, all working. All of them 4 is working. So good to see from the comparison from the experiment before, there been this phone having no streams and this phone been having no streams. And both of them having streams after creating a new account. So it seems like the account was the reason for no streams. So for the creation of these 4 accounts, the old Spotify account was logged out, the cache was emptied, the Google email or whatever was also deleted, and then after that was created a new email, and with the new email it was registered a new Spotify account, and then redeemed the code of the Spotify code. So that way all 4 of them is working, either with VPN, either without VPN, or with mobile home connection, or with hotspot. So here is 1 account that is not working, and it's really good to see how innocent it is looking, right? Everything is looking perfectly. The auto clicker is running. Well, the X, I just put it on it 2 seconds ago. The auto clicker is running, Spotify is working, the repeat button is green. You know, it looks like wow, everything is perfect, but it's not counting streams. So here's the song Inevitable. Inevitable here has not even 1 single stream. Now when there's a red X, that means from the experiment before that phone was not working. And the blue X means in this new experiment it's not working. So here it's correlated. Both of them is not working, both of them is not working, both of them is not working. So it's very obvious it has nothing to do with the connection. Then on the other hand, some phones is working that was not working before. That is the one with the new account here and here. So that is obvious that it has to do with the new account. That one was laying here before, so it was not even used in the experiment before. This one was not working before, but now it is working. Maybe it has to do with the system update. And then these phones was working before and is still working. And this last phone also was not working before and still not working. So there's a pattern. Even when the network is changing, all of the phones the same behavior, like either it is working or not. The new accounts made the phones that was not working work. So what will be the conclusion of the experiment? The conclusion is that it has nothing to do with the phones itself. When there's no streams counted, it has nothing to do with the network. It can be mobile data, it can be hotspot, it can be router, it can be mobile home. And it has nothing to do with VPN or non-VPN. It has nothing to do with auto-clicker. So that is all good. That means we can make a check on all of them. And then we need to look deeper on the accounts, because obviously when there's no streams counted, it has to do something with the account. So when you make a new account, you activate a new Spotify card, you should make the same pattern. First you log out of Spotify, you delete the old Google account on the phone, you create a new email, and with that new email you register a new Spotify account, then you redeem the code. Then it should work.